Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're going to be talking about how to breed rabbits. Rabbits you can find in places like deserts or all of the different snowy biomes and a lot of the flower forest, taiga, meadow, taigas that are old growth and cherry groves, and they come in yellow, white, black and white, black, brown, and white. And then you can breed them by gathering them up in a pen like I have here, then offering them carrots, golden carrots, or a dandelion respectively. Then they'll do the whole heart thing after you feed them, jump around like little crazies, and then spit out a new baby bunny. It's worth noting that because they can jump, it's probably a good idea to put them in a too tall enclosure at least, and be careful when you enter the pen with them, because they're extremely skittish and they will try to dart out the gate after you, so making sure you've got a way to contain them is sort of important. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at how to breed rabbits. If you're curious where to get the various different colors, you can check out the wiki, which I will link below, so you can see where to get them, and I will catch you next time. Bye everybody, and have a good one.